Good morning, my sweetheart. So today we have our math class. But first, like always, all the time, we have to pray. So put your hands together, close your eyes and repeat after me. Angel of word, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to love and guide. Amen. Ángel de la guarda, mi dulce compañía, no me desampares ni de noche ni de día, hasta que me pongas en paz y alegría con todos los ángeles, Jesús, José y María. Amen, amen. Okay, my sweetheart. So, today in math, it's a special day because it's Friday. It's Friday, the last day of the week. And we're going to review our math class. So, first, you know it, but we have to review. We are going to see the coins. So, 1 penny worth 1 cent, 1 nickel worth 5 cents, and 1 dime worth 10 cents. Okay, one more time. 1 penny worth 1 cent, 1 nickel worth 5 cents, and 1 dime worth 10 cents. Okay, you know it. You can do it by yourself. And do you remember our exercise? So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies I have here, and 1 penny worth 1 cent. 1 penny equal 1 cent. We're going to count by ones. So we said 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 cents. Okay, now I have here 2 dimes. And remember, a dime worth 10 cents. 1 dime worth 10 cents. So we count by 10. So we say 10, 20 plus 1 penny that worth 1 cent. We have 21 cents. Okay, we have here our nickels. A nickel worth 5 cents. A nickel worth 5 cents. So we count by fives. We have 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, and I have here a dime, and a dime worth 10 cents. So we have 10 plus 5 equal 15 plus 5 equal 20. We have 20 cents on here. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, my sweethearts, what do you have to do? You have to play a game. Again, van a jugar una vez más como la semana anterior al supermarket game. And you are going to send me a photo on our video or an audio. Necesito que me manden una foto, un video o un audio de su trabajo, de cómo juegan con el papito o la mamita un ratito. Les van a pedir de nuevo las moneditas prestadas porque necesito que ustedes ya sepan contar y sepan ustedes reconocer las monedas, ¿ok? Yo sé que ustedes ya lo saben, pero necesitamos seguir reforzando ahí, ¿ok? Les quiero muchísimo, les mando un beso y jueguen mucho en casa al supermarket game que les encanta, ¿ok? Les adoro, besitos, amores.